Rent to rent versus rent to rent 2.0. I want to talk about scaling. I want to talk about how you can create £1 million rent to rent business right now. Sound good? Stay tuned. I'm Simon, and over the past 3 years, I've built £1 million rent to rent 2.0 business that has multiple streams of income, has survived COVID. We've got a team of 9 strong now, 9 staff absolutely smashing it, and we're going from strength to strength. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to do that and what it's going to take for you to achieve those type of results. So if you just want 1 or 2 rent to rent deals, switch off. This isn't for you. If you want to create a business, a vehicle for you to fast track your property investment cash flow to buy more properties so you can get on the beach, relaxing in Bahamas sooner rather than later, retire family members, live the life you want, get your time back, this video is for you. So in the market, a lot of people talk about rent to rent being a no money or low money down strategy. And yes, whilst it is, that's not what rent to rent 2.0 is about. Okay? Rent to rent, you maybe start with a few grand and you try and step up over 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and that's fine. But rent to rent 2.0 is something that is way greater than that. Now, when I started, I didn't have a huge amount of money, okay? So I've done the rent to rent way, I've done that way, and trust me, I would still be here now with a handful of deals, no further on. Then I realized I needed to accelerate my growth. And in order to do that, I took a loan of £20,000 and did 5 rent to rents in quick succession. And that's not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to get a loan. But what I'm saying is, you can clearly see that if you get one deal, spend 5 grand and generate £750 a month, it's going to take you some time before that pot gets up to the level where you can do another deal. On the other hand, if you do 5 deals using 20 grand and generate £5,000 cash flow per month, within 4 months, you've got your 20 out, okay? Within another 4 months, you've got an extra 20. Okay, and that has been the key to my growth. So the purpose of this video is just to open your eyes to the strength of scale and capital and going all in on rent to rent. If you are happy just going slow and adding a little bit of extra cash flow, that's great. But if you want to do rent to rent 2.0 and you want to scale quickly, that's what it's going to take. Now, when you think of rent to rent, a lot of people say, oh, it sounds like a lot of work. Oh, I don't want to manage property. And you would be right. Rent to rent 2.0 is about outsourcing. It's about a team. We currently employ 9 people who are smashing our business out and helping us scale. So that's another element you're going to need. It's not just the money, you're going to need the people. Okay? You're going to need the money and the people in order to do this. But if you're willing to put the investment in and invest back in people, you can scale, and you can scale big. If you want to know more about Rent to Rent 2.0, hit the subscribe button, okay? Comment below, like this video, follow me on Instagram @SimonSmithOnline, and I'll see you in the next video.